Welcome to online learning. And keep in mind that it's during times of adversity and change that we discover who we are and what we are really made of. And I believe that we're made of greatness. Stay safe.
Hey Blazers, we hope you're staying safe and healthy during this extended spring break. We look forward to classes beginning again next week online, and we will finish this semester strong together. Hang in there.
Hey everybody, welcome back for some e-learning. You're going to do well. You've got us to support you. You're going to knock this one right out of the park.
Hi everyone, Professor G here. Some of us have others to take care of during this time, and some of us have a lot more going on at home. But what we all have is our Northlake College and DCCD families, and I know that we got this.
Hi students, we look forward to seeing you in class on Monday. I really believe you're going to enjoy online learning. You've got this, and we've got this, and together we can make this work great. So let's get this semester started.
Hello and welcome back, Northlake Blazers. See you Monday, March 30th. Follow us on social media. Stay safe, be well, and see you virtually soon.
Hello, Dallas Community College students and Northlake Blazers. Welcome back. We are so glad you're back with us to finish out this semester. It's a crazy world out there right now, and I know each of you is dealing with a unique set of challenges as you adjust your work life, your family life, and your academic life. Our faculty and professional staff have been working hard for the past 2 weeks to be ready for you and our new learning environment. Your faculty are your lifeline, so let them know if you need anything. We also have tons of resources to support you, so find us online and stay connected. You got this, it's go time. Let's do it.